Hey, welcome to Pluga. I'm Julia, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily integrate Zoho CRM with other apps using Pluga. In this setup, Zoho CRM handles the action, so when something happens on another app, a deal is automatically created or updated on Zoho CRM. So let's jump into the step-by-step. The first thing you need to do is go to Pluga's website and create a free account. Next, under Select App, search for the app you want to use as the source. For this walkthrough, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads once I want to create an integration where every time a lead responds to an ad, a deal is automatically created or updated on Zoho CRM. With that in mind, under Select Trigger, I'm going to choose the option New Response to an Ad. Now, scroll down and choose Zoho CRM as the destination app, and select the action Create or Update Deal, and click Automate. Once that's done, you'll connect your Facebook account. Since I already have my Facebook account connected here, I'll go ahead and select it, then click Continue. For Facebook lead ads, you can choose which page will receive the ad responses and which form they'll come through. Now, here's a really cool feature. You can create filters to make your automation even smarter. For example, you can create a filter based on a specific field in the lead or the ad, so Zoho CRM only updates or creates deals if those specific rules are met. Again, this step is optional, so if you don't want to add any filters, just leave it as is and click Continue. All set. Your Facebook lead ads account has been successfully connected. Now let's move on to the Zoho CRM configuration. Just like we did with Facebook, we'll need to connect our Zoho account to Pluga. To do that, click Connect New Account and log into your account. But since I already have mine connected, I'll just click Continue. So let's adjust the Zoho CRM settings to fit your integration needs. We'll set the business module layout, the pipeline, and the stage. The other fields are optional, so you can skip them if you want. And this is where the magic happens. You can customize your automation to make it even more effective. Some fields are required, such as deal name, closing date, and account name. But feel free to fill in as many as you need, or just skip to the end. Just a hint, the more fields you fill out, the more your automation will feel like yours, tailored to your specific needs. Once everything's all set, just click Continue, then Finish Automation. And that's it! Your Zoho CRM account is now connected to another app. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via chat or send us an email at support@pluga.co. See you next!